All that we've been through, I know we're cool.
Dapat yung first verse, chorus, like, yung ginawa.
Ba't nakikialam ka sa kanya?
Ano ba yung first and I see you now, and after all that we've been through.
Yun pala yun.
Pero makita kasi yung line na yun, after all that we've been through, we're still cool.
And now I see you now with... And after all that we've been through, I know we're cool. Basta maganda yung meaning ng song na yun. Parang tukol sa exes na nagkita ulit and they're cool.
Parang kayo lang. Ikaw kung may song ka for me.